Hi, and we are Academy Online. Academy Online is a Philippine-based open online course provider aimed at professional adults and students. It was founded in October 2018 by Marcus Flores, Dane Marceliana, Ian Gaudier, Cali Crujido, and Martin Pasco. Academy Online has a core focus on technological courses, but it also provides courses in linguistics, business, personality development, and many more. So the different tables are 1. Instructors. This table is for storing the data of the instructors. Next is the uploaded courses. This table is for storing all the information related to a course. Next is the learners. It is for storing the data of the learners or the customers. Next is the enrolled courses. This table is for storing the purchased or enrolled in course of the learners. Next is the categories. This table is for storing the categories of the courses. Next is the discounts. This is for storing the value of a discount. And lastly, the reviews. This table is for storing the reviews for a course. Now, we will discuss our ERD. So for our ERD or entity relationship diagram, we use the Crowfoot notation for better data visualization. So let's start with this table, the instructors. So in the instructors table, the primary key is the instructor ID. And there are fields such as instructor email, name, and verified at. It has a one-to-many relationship and one-many. So one-to-many relationship to uploaded courses because one instructor can upload many courses. And next, the categories table. The primary key is category ID and category name. So the relationship of categories to the uploaded courses is 1:1 because a course can only have one category. Next is the discounts. The primary key is the discount ID and the other column name is discount price. So the relationship of uploaded courses to discount is 1:1 or optional. 1 or optional because a course can have a discount or not. Next is the uploaded courses to the reviews. Uploaded courses, the relationship of uploaded courses to reviews is 1:many because one course can have many reviews. Same goes with the learners to the reviews table. So for the learners, we have learner ID as the primary key and the field names are email, learner name, and verified at. And the relationship of learner to reviews is 1:many because a learner can have many reviews to a course. A learner can write a review about any course. And then learners to the enrolled courses, 1:many because a learner can enroll to as much as many courses as he wants. And that is our ERD. Thank you.
So for the basic query, I have created a scenario where Morgan Silva, right here, Morgan Silva is an aspiring musician and he wanted to advance his knowledge on making or crafting his music. So he wants to look and buy some of the works of Mr. Pablo Ernesto. His instructor ID is number 3 and looking at the uploaded courses, there are a lot of courses that has been published. So in order for Silva to find the published works of Mr. Ernesto, let's go to the SQL section, then select from uploaded courses where where instructor ID is equals to 3, if I remember correctly. Then click the go button. So here, as you can see, all of the published works of Mr. Ernesto can now be seen. For the next scenario, let's say Haley Amson. There, Haley Amson is an IT student, and she's looking for a computing course, so that she can gain more knowledge on programming. But the thing is that she only has a budget of 350 pesos. So for the solution, again, on the SQL section, type select from uploaded courses where course price is equals to 350, and then click the go button. So there, all of the courses that has been published by the price of 350 pesos can now be seen. So yeah, that's it for the basic subquery.
Hi everyone! For the first scenario, we have Anaya Shera. She's an upcoming IT freshman student at Technological Institute of the Philippines. She wants to do an advanced learning in JavaScript and enroll herself in a said-related course. So she wants to see first what JavaScript courses we have to offer. So we go to SQL and we type select from uploaded courses where course name like JavaScript. I use like to search for a specific term in a column, which is JavaScript, and then we enter. So as you can see, the course name with JavaScript in it appears, and she has a lot of options to choose. So that's all. So for the second scenario, we have Gabriel Segundo, who wants to do a self-study and enroll himself in Academy Online. But the thing is, he doesn't know what online course to take, so he plans to enroll himself with the high 0.5% discount online course we have. So to find that, we go to SQL again, and we type select from uploaded courses where discount ID is equal to 5. And there we have it. It seems like he'll be enrolling to music theory. So that is all. And thank you so much.
Hello, I am Daniel Marceliana, and today I am going to discuss about the regex function. So, beyond the pattern matching available from our like clauses, MariaDB offers a regular expression-based matching through the regex p operator. And from this, the operator performs pattern matching for a string expression. And of course, it is based on a given pattern. So right now, we are going to have two scenarios wherein we are going to use the regex functions. So as you can see here, we have the database named Online Academy. So for our first scenario, Andrea is a working student. Due to her busy schedule, most of the times she cannot attend to class. That's why she decided to look for other resources that can help her gain knowledge despite of her hectic schedule. And then Andrea found our website named Academy Online. And from there, she wanted to see if they have a JavaScript basics courses. So in MariaDB, we can do this by typing the regex statement. We can filter the data that we can see. And in this scenario, we need to type the regex statement. So we need to use the select from, and then let's call the table uploaded courses, where you course name, and then here is the regex statement, regex function, single quote, so here is our statement. So from here, you can notice that we used this symbol. So this is what we called a caret symbol, meaning it matches the pattern to the beginning of the value being tested. So all the courses we have from the uploaded courses, starting with this word, with these letters JAVA, Java, it will be shown in the results. So let's try to find out if this works. There. So as you can see, we have the Java word here. So yes, we have the JavaScript basics course in our website. So here is an example in where you can use the regex statement. And for the scenario number 2, from this, Andrea continued to navigate the website. She viewed so many courses together with their prices, instructors. She also see the descriptions and etc. And for a second, she stopped because she remembered that she saw her instructor last sem. But again, she forgot the name. And all that she can remember is that the instructor's last name ends with Seiya, CEA. So from this, we need to use this regex statement to help Andrea to find that instructor. So we are going to use the select from, and then from the instructors table, where instructor L name, meaning last name, instructor's last name, and then the regex function, and then Seiya and dollar symbol. So here, this is our statement to find that instructor's last name that ends with these letters, CEA. So as you can see, we used this symbol. We used the dollar symbol. It basically means that it matches the pattern to the end of the value being tested. So all of the words, all of the names all of the instructor's last name that ends with these three letters will be shown, will be displayed. So let's find out. There. So that instructor that Andrea is looking is Dulcea. Miss is Dulcea. So the instructor's first name is Adeline and the last name is Dulcea. So Adeline Dulcea. So that's how the regex function works.
Hi, now we will proceed to the join statement. The first scenario is, in preparation of new academic year, the academic registrar wants to create a list of instructors along with their teaching category. So the proposed solution is, use the inner join statement to combine the two tables with instructor's name along with their teaching category. So first, we will select the instructor's last name and the category name from the table. Now, we will use the inner join statement then we will type the statement which will matches the instructor's ID and the category ID. Here, as you can see, the instructor's last name is posted below along with their category name. The instructor's last name and the category name are equivalent in their ID. We will now proceed to the second scenario. The Academy Accounting assigned the IT department to identify the discount price of every student that is currently enrolled based on their learner's ID in ascending order. So the proposed solution is, use the left join statement and find the matching ID of learners and discount ID to get the accurate result. So first we will select the learner's last name and the discount price from the database table. Then we will use the left join statement. Then we will use the statement that we used earlier to match the ID of the learner's ID and the discount ID. Then we will use the ASC statement to display the result in ascending order. So here you go.
So for the scenario, Academy Online has reached the end of the month. because of that, they have to generate the monthly list of newly registered instructors and learners for their auditing and other business needs. The solution is to union instructors and learners table in which their verified registration month is November. So basically, we will get all the records of the instructors and learners who are registered or get verified during the month of November. So we can say select learner ID. Select learner ID as ID. We will use alias for better display later. And learner email as email from the learners table, where using the month function, and then we will place the column name inside and then equals to 11. Why 11? Because we are looking at the report for the month of November. That's why we will use 11. Then union all with the instructors. So instructor ID. So it's either we use an alias or not. So let us just leave it as it is. Instructor email. So the thing here in subquery, there should be equal number of column being asked from instructors, where month and then verified at verified equals 11 because November. And this is the result. These are all the instructors and learners who got registered or verified during November. So for the scenario, Academy Online wants to create a more robust and trustworthy course catalog. With that, they have to examine the reviews table in their database. They want the courses that is being displayed on the landing page are the courses which have above average ratings. So the solution here is that first, they will get the average rating of all courses, and from there, get the individual rating which is above average. So for the SQL query, we can say select uploaded courses that you course ID, uploaded courses that you course name, reviews that rating to get the reviews from reviews, and then inner join uploaded courses, and then on reviews that you course ID equals uploaded courses that you course ID. Then we can say we will use where followed by rating greater than, and then our subquery select average rating from reviews, and then we click on go, and then we can see all the courses which have ratings that are above average, that is above the computed average.